In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a link to your Instagram story without having 10,000 followers. This is a new feature that Instagram is slowly rolling out to its members, and I'm going to show you how to do it so people can swipe up on your story and it'll redirect them to any URL or website you wish. So let's jump right into it.
Okay, I am on my phone here. I'm just going to open up the Instagram app. And I'm just going to jump over to my profile here just to show you I only have 171 followers, so nowhere near 10,000. We're going to jump back over here, hit the home button, and then swipe right, as you're aware of, to access the stories. I'm just going to take a picture of my keyboard here. And then you're going to want to hit this top sticker up here, the smiley face sticker. And then you're going to want to search for link. Link will appear. And then a URL. So www, I'm just going to enter in mrpetcam.com, for example. And this will put a clickable link on your Instagram story. You can resize it, move it all around like so.
Okay, I wanted to mention that this is a new feature that Instagram is rolling out. So if you type in link in the search and nothing appears, just give it some time. When I first searched for it, when I figured out how to do this, it didn't appear, but then about 3 or 4 days later, it did appear. So don't get discouraged if you don't see it. It is coming for everyone that has less than 10,000 followers. But I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please give it a like. See you in the next video. Bye.